Hello everyone! For today's course, we're gonna build this shape with Grasshopper. Now let's get it started. First, we jump to the top view, draw the random curve around here, and then we draw the second curve, cross the first one, and adjust the control point to a suitable position and delete extra control point. It should be fine right now. Now we move the second curve to a higher place. Well, it should be alright now. Now, for Rhino 6 user, Grasshopper is a default setting plugin, so we can just use it directly. Now, first, double click, type in curve. We need to put the model information into this battery, so we set multiple curve. Now, all the data information has been put in this battery right now. Then, since we draw two curves, we need to list the item. Double click again, list item. Link to batteries. Zoom up. You see there is a little button here. Click. Now, that means this one is your first curve, and the second one it will add another information for the other curve. So that means +1, and there will be more output socket here. Now, double click again. Divide. Since we need to divide two curves, double click again, divide. Now let's see what will happen. See, it immediately shows the divide point around the curve. Okay, but the density is quite low, so we need to increase the density right now. So double click. Type the number directly here, 100. Now link to the N socket. N stands for the count. Yeah. And you can immediately show there's more deviation point showed up. Do the same to the second one. Now the density is kind of high, so we need to lower the number a bit. Directly select this button. Maybe 50 should be alright. 50. Now we need to link the points around two different curves together by line. Double click, line. I will choose this one, not this one. This one means create a line between 2 points. So A stands for start point, B stands for end point. Now start point, end point. Okay, after that we need to get our fundamental surface. So since we already got the line, it can be treated as a section line for the loft command. So double click, just type in loft. Alright. Nice and smooth. Now we need to extrude the line. Since the picture show here is a solid item, so the basic method should be extrude the line here. So extrude the line here and type in point on curve. 0.5 link here. Now we get the middle point of each line. Okay. Now we need to get the UV direction of the middle point here. Now click here. Let's get surface closest point here. Now we got a point. We got our surface. And we combine with this one, evaluate surface. We get the UV point here. And sorry, I linked to the wrong sector. Disconnect. We got our point here, UV point. We got surface. Now we get the all UV direction of the middle points. Right? Around here, it showed up. We can adjust the size of the show plane here. Preview plane size 0.8. If you think it's too big, you can adjust to 0.5. Oh, I think 0.8 should be alright. 0.8. So normal means the vertical direction along the UV direction. So we give this here direction. Now all the lines extrude into their UV direction here right now. However, the default vector unit is 1. It's kinda too long right now, seems like. Yeah, too long. So how to make it smaller? Now we use multiple and click 0.4 maybe, and link. I give it to the direction. Now the length has changed. Yeah, it looks nice right now. But the direction should be moved here a little bit, right? So we type in move, and so move the halfway there. So type in multiplication, type in -0.5, and since it is moved to a negative way, so we type in negative. Now link all this stuff together. Okay, it looks nice right now. But we see here the end of the extrude line here. It's not attached on the ground. It's kind of cracked here. So what are we gonna do? We double click again, type in extend curve around here, and then we type in 0.1 or 10 point, double click 0. Now we link to the star, we link to the L1, and then link to the line. Yeah, now it has been extended. Now we link to the middle point here. Now we get the line attached to the ground. And now we need to offset the surface. But if you just use the offset command, it can't get the solid shape, and it's kind of complex. So we better use the Python. Yeah. And double click. And now we need to a coding technique. rs dot again offset surface. Now this one jump out. Okay. And x means the surface, y means the distance, and now difference. Z means both sides, P means solid. Now click OK and link, zoom up. So since we set 4 socket, that is a U, it doesn't matter. We change it to T solid. Yeah. So Y means the distance. So we type in the number 0.15 maybe. Now we link. And T represents solid. So we use boolean and turn to truth and link this command to Z and to solid and set the code here a equal. So there's an arrow around this battery, so yeah, we shouldn't link to this battery, so we disconnect. Yeah, we link here. Now we got the solid shape here. So if you want to make it thinner, you just move the slide. Yeah, that looks nice. And now we can burp surface. And bake. Looks nice right now. Now we change to another show and move. Now all the stuff done right now. So we close the Grasshopper. Check. Now here is not very even here. Check. Now we got the picture we just showed at the beginning of the class. Delete some meaningless curve. Now all the job done right now. That will be all for today. This is the end of the tutorials. Please do it again. If you have any question regarding to this video, please put it on below comments. Now I would like to share something with you. If you are interested in having more details or simplistically learning Rhino and Grasshopper, For architecture design and modeling skills, come to our website, RhinoArchSchool.com. First link in the description. You can join our Rhino architecture design tutorials from beginner to advanced course. You will get a step-by-step approach to learn how to model organic architectures, parametric architectures through interesting cases, and a famous architects project includes Zaha Hadid Architects Project, Mad Architects Project, BIG Architects Project, Shigeru Ben Architects Project, and so much more. Join our professional course and design your own world. Also, if you want to have files or YouTube tutorials, you can get them by supporting becoming our blog members. You can find the link in description. I would like to thank all of our blog membership supporters. You really help us create better tutorials. If you like this tutorial and would like to see more tutorials, please click like button and make sure you subscribe our channel as we publish the new videos 2 times a week.